I'm turned up in the sky, yeah. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. No, you can't bring me down. I turn up. You can't turn me down. No, you won't leave me down. No, you won't see me down. I'm high up in the sky.
What's up, Royal Family? It's your girl Majestie, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title of this video today, this will be an unboxing / review video over the HIKEREN handheld vacuum. It's a portable vacuum for your cars and for them little creases in the couch and stuff, whatever you use your handheld vacuum for. So let's go ahead and get to this video. It's not too much to say. Let's just get into it. Got my trusty car keys right here. Uh-oh. Should've got my knife. Bam! Alright, so it's called HIKEREN cordless vacuum cleaner H350. And let's take it out of the box. So, first thing you see when you open this box is the instruction manual. Oh, it also comes with a bag. Never seen nothing come with, and it got HIKEREN on it. Interesting. Okay. You know, I really never know what this is for, honestly. Like, what is this specifically for? I'll show y'all what it is. Y'all see it? What is that for? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so here goes the vacuum itself. It's a small, it's kind of big, but it's small for the car. This is a vacuum I would use for my car. I need a vacuum for my car. These reviews, these companies always come in clutch. Like, every time they come to me, it's always something I need. It's always so convenient for me. And I need this right now. I really do. Here goes your charger. Your wireless charger. No, it's not a wireless charger. It's a wireless vacuum. Charger has cords. So. And this part is the suction. Oh, yeah, I know what this is. It's the suction. This is what that is. So, let's take all this out. No, let's look at the instruction manual. Let's see. So, you got your steps, block card, slide switch button, turn on machine, slide back, turn off. Basic instructions right here, just basic. Custom service. I'm sure I can put this together without having to actually look at the paper. So let's try to put it together. It's so nice. I like black and white. Black and white is a nice color. It really is. I'm ready to see what it actually does. I mean, how well it actually works. So, we'll put that to the side. Let's take out the charger. Got that handled. I'm gonna look at the instruction. I gotta see what this is. I gotta see what it does. Took that out. This out. I'm gonna put all this back in the box afterwards. I know what this. And this is for your cracks and your creases right here. I know that. Let me get all the trash out the way. Now let's see if we can hook this bad boy up. No. Is that it? Or should it go this way? No, it should go this way. It's simple. So, it's really not no assembly to it. It's just charge it and hook up the piece that you need to it. Just basic. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this unboxing / review video, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I did, what you think. It's light outside, so I did not really turn the light on because I was so used to light inside. And I think it really showed up great. Let me know what y'all think about this lighting because it's amazing. Oh, look at me looking all chocolate. Alright, let me get off. I love to look in the camera and then I just Alright, so yeah, like I said, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I'm out. See you next video. Peace.